Squats are hands down one of the most effective exercises out there. If you've ever browsed the internet, you've likely seen countless photos and videos showing incredible transformations from doing squats every day. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what happens to your body when you make squats a regular part of your routine. So make sure to watch until the end. Let's dive in. First off, there are several variations of squats you can try. You can do bodyweight squats, add some extra challenge with dumbbells or a barbell, or even try squat jumps. Most people tend to stick with the classic squat feet shoulder width apart and lowering down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Now let's talk about the muscles that come into play during squats. You might first think of the hips and glutes, but in reality, squats engage a wide range of muscles. These include the gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius, quadriceps, hamstrings, adductors, hip flexors, calf muscles, as well as core muscles like the rectus abdominis, obliques, and spinal erectors. It's truly a full-body exercise. One of the first changes you'll notice is increased strength in all these muscles, not just your legs but your abs too. As your muscles grow, they'll become more defined, which is why you see so many impressive before and after transformations online. Unlike running or cycling, which don't promote significant muscle growth, squats will not only make you stronger, but also visibly change your body's appearance. Squats are also a powerful tool for weight loss. Performing them daily increases your calorie burn and boosts your metabolism, helping you shed fat and get ripped. Another major benefit is improved blood circulation and a stronger cardiovascular system. Squats enhance the tone of your heart muscle, improve blood flow, and significantly boost circulation, especially in your lower body. Another awesome advantage is better posture. By squatting with proper form, keeping your back straight and engaging your lower back muscles, you'll find that your overall posture improves. Squats also increase your endurance by challenging your respiratory system, helping you control your breathing and increasing lung capacity. And let's not forget mobility. Regular squats can greatly improve the flexibility and mobility of your hips and ankles. If you've been dealing with knee or lower back pain due to a sedentary lifestyle, squats with proper technique can actually help alleviate these issues. As you work your core muscles, particularly your lower back and abs, you'll notice these areas getting stronger too, especially when squatting with added weights. Now, if you're using a barbell, it's crucial to maintain the right form. Squatting with a barbell is a challenging exercise that should be done under the guidance of an experienced instructor to avoid injuries. But if you're looking for a safer variation, you might try squat jumps, which are excellent for building core strength because they engage stabilizing muscles throughout the movement. A strong core is key for preventing back injuries and maintaining overall body strength. Finally, let's talk about different squat styles. The classic squat is straightforward, feet shoulder width apart, arms at your sides, and bending your knees to a right angle as you lower down. Then there's the plie squat, which puts more emphasis on your glutes by widening your stance and turning your toes out. And of course, there's the squat jump, perfect for those looking to boost their explosive power, like sprinters or football players. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. How do you squat? Are you planning to start? Share your thoughts and experiences. I'm excited to read them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos linked on the screen now.